Welcome back to my another weekend vlog. Now this will be a long weekend vlog because I have filmed on both Saturday and Sunday. So let's get started. On Saturday I had reunion with my college friends. So guys, I am ready and I am wearing one sweatshirt and a jeans. That's it. So I ate one banana and now I'm going to eat one boiled egg. That will be my breakfast. I don't want to eat much when I go outside. And yeah, like we have a biryani plan, like a Dada Bodhi plan. You know Dada Bodhi biryani, right? I'm very famous and I'm fan of Dada Bodhi mutton biryani. So we have a plan for that, and let's see what happens. And I'm going to like arrange my bags and everything. And yeah, let me do that. Welcome to What's in My Bag series. So you should always keep one extra mask with you because you never know. You made it. And this is the mask that I'm going to wear. But this is one extra mask. This one bottle and yeah, powers, money, and I don't know what is this for, plastics. Don't need it. Shouldn't throw things like that. So and I hope you are almost well done. If I carry water bottle, I do not drink for it. My friends usually drink from it. So I hate to carry water bottle, but just carry it today. I'm like taking this bag, so this bag is huge enough to carry one bottle. Guddu! Tada, Guddu! যাবে রিনি রিনি তুমি যাবে আমার সাথে Now here I was waiting to eat papri chaat for whatever reason at 10 a.m. in the morning. So my friend was like laughing at me to eat papri chaat at 10 a.m. But it's okay sometimes. Finally, we reached Adamas. Our college started new drama. They do not allow day scholar on Saturday. So we were discussing plan that how to answer to security uncle if he questions anything. By that time, we met like half of the people. Our college is full of YouTubers, so some kind of shooting or something was happening on that day. Just trying to get everyone in one frame but failed badly. Swapnil! ও কতবার এসছে আমার চ্যানেলে, টাকা দিবে এরপর থেকে আমার চ্যানেলে, এমনি আমি আরো রাখি তোকে। We were heading towards Dada Bodhi to eat biryani. More than 50 people were waiting outside Dada Bodhi, so we couldn't make Dada Bodhi. So now we are at Arsalan. After eating biryani, we hugged each other and said goodbye, and now I am returning home. Hey guys, good morning. So I stopped yesterday's vlog suddenly because I have something bad news to share. That is, we lost one cat, Rini. She is Manny's third baby. So she died in a car accident. And yesterday when I came back home from college, and after that I got news from Ma that like right after coming back, Ma told me that একটা তো আর নেই। আমি বললাম মানে? বলছে রিনি মারা গেছে। So yeah, that was the news that I got after coming back. Like yesterday was a really fun day, but I'm going to show you the place where Rini died yesterday. Yeah, that is the place, like beside the pole. And can you see the spot? Yeah, that was like the spot of Rini's blood, I mean mark of Rini's blood. So yeah, that is the place where Rini died. And right now Rini is sleeping there, right there. That is the spot. Yeah, they generally do not go outside, like especially in the afternoon they sleep with us, like with us exactly on our bed. But yesterday she and Guddu went outside to play with butterflies exactly on that playground, and that happened. So after that incident I had no energy to shoot. Even right now I also do not feel like to shoot, but I started the vlog and I have responsibility to end it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And right now I am cooking, like after a long time I'm cooking today right now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm done with cooking and right now I'm going to have lunch. Okay, I have just finished lunch and now I am reading this book, and this book is called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. So this book is all about like how to build a community, how to build an authority online. So a funny story is when I started my YouTube channel, and what I used to think that if I share link of my video with anyone and everyone, they will follow me. That's how I will grow on YouTube. That's how I will get followers. But that's not the case. If people love you, if people are able to connect with you, they will follow you. So right now I do not share link of my video with the intention that they will subscribe my channel or they will follow me. No, that's not how you should do the marketing of your channel. So I don't do such kind of creepy things right now. And yeah, this book teaches you that how can you build an authority and community in online, specifically in online, because social media has power these days, that social media can make your career. It can make you really rich. I mean rich. Yeah, it can make you really rich. So yeah, so I'm learning things right now, that how can you build a brand, how can you build an authority so that people follow you. And this book has lots of secrets that you can learn if you want same. If you want to build your career in social media, you should read this type of book, okay? So I want to share with you one thought today. That is, in this book, Russell Brunson has mentioned that he hardly has any marketing degree. Hardly means he doesn't have any marketing degree, but still he's a marketing genius. If Russell Brunson look into this product, suppose if Russell Brunson look into this bottle, he can like instantly say how can you sell the bottle to get maximum profit. Like he is that kind of a genius, that type of genius. So if you're a marketing student, you should follow him. He currently has like 1 million followers on Instagram. So what I want to share with you with this line is that when you will step into professional life, you will see that school colleges teaches so many new things, right? But you will see that you hardly use those things that are taught in school and colleges, and it is very sad. So today few thoughts are coming in my mind, that when I was in school, I have met few toxic first boys in my school, like in my school, not in my college. Okay, my college experience is not that bad. So yeah, so those boys, they were academically really good and they used to get like good marks, like above 90 or something like that. And they used to like feel other people bad about their academic career, about their skill or whatever, and to prove themselves superior, they used to bully other people. And I cannot see those boys, like, and I cannot tell that those boys are successful in their career right now. So if you were like one of those type of people, if you do have this kind of toxic traits, like to prove yourself superior, if you insult people, then this toxic trait will not get you anywhere. Or else, if you are an innocent person and if you're facing some kind of situations that people are bullying you in colleges or maybe in school to prove themselves superior, then trust me, I can say you with guarantee that you will be a lot more steps ahead from them in future. Mark my words. People who are like the actual leader, like Russell Brunson, I'm really fan of him. They will never make you feel bad to prove themselves as a leader or to prove themselves as a superior person. Okay, this same kind of line, the same thing that I'm sharing with you today will also be applicable in case of your corporate career. If your boss is a toxic person, if your boss has a toxic trait like to make you feel bad to prove him a superior person, then also like keep this thing in mind. Okay, so if anything happens with your pet and it is such a guilty feeling, like it feels like that it happened for you because you are not responsible enough, so it's such a bad feeling. She is the younger one, like she's the fourth one and the third one died. চিনি এরকম করতে নেই, তুমি খেলে আমি একটু খাই। আমি তোর তো খাবার এরকম করি না, গিয়ে আমি তো তোর মাছ ভাত খাওয়ার সময় এরকম ডিস্টার্ব করি না তোকে। This blanket is a favorite place to sleep. Judge me because this is how I am working. So I give you productivity tips and this is how I work. চিনি তুমি ল্যাপটপ শিখবে? So I have a few mails to send on Monday, so I'm going to prepare things for that. Like I'm preparing a document that I have to send on Monday. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and after that maybe I'll be edit this video so that I can upload this video on this weekend. I do not know if I'll be able to make it or not, but yeah, I will try. So yeah, I have nothing much to show you right now, so I am thinking that I'm going to end the vlog right here. গুড্ডু, তুমি একটু বাই বলে দাও। ঠোঁটে কি লাগিয়েছিস? চিনি একটু বাই বলে দাও। মুখ ঘুরে নিল। কি চিনি? চিনি এরকম অ্যাটিটিউড দেখায় না, একটু বাই বলতে হয়। একটু এদিকে তাকাও, ওরা মুখ ঘুরে নিলে তুমি আনসাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে চিনি। Anyway, so I'm ending the vlog right here, and if you like the vlog then please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So I'm a little bit busy with my life right now, that is why I am inconsistent on my YouTube channel. Now I will not give any excuses, but yes, I am like juggling with the multiple things in my life right now, so that is why I'm not consistent on YouTube channel. But I hope that I'll be back again with same energy, with same consistency. So yeah, till then you can check out my other videos. Bye.
আমার রিনি 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 রিনি